It's on.
Have to roll dice.
Yep, and you can turn that off. Okay, let's roll the dice. Alright guys, we're gonna roll that dice.
Oh.
Alright, we're gonna re-roll that dice. Went off the camera. Right, do that one more time.
Fourth time.
Five times. Alright, go to your end. 1.
1, 2, 3, 4,
and
5.
Alright, so copy that list. Turn on the spreadsheet. Don't turn it off. Turn on the spreadsheet. Untitled spreadsheet. No, it didn't turn. Turn. Okay. You're gonna go into look for the spreadsheet, which is no. Just hover so you can find it over the Chrome. Yep, right there. Yep, paste it. Okay, now turn on random, and then turn on one more time so people can match it.
Yep.
So turn on random so people can see. Okay, and then turn it off. Because I could just pause it on YouTube to see it, and then click any cell so it won't get highlighted. And that's it.
That's it. No.
Don't talk that.
We're all set, Mikey.
Ready? Oh, righty tighty.
Okay. Great. So no matter what,
Know yourself.
bare bones, you're going to give away 82.
Okay.
As a possible $500 rip. Excuse me. But it's on top. This is just minimum. Thank you. Perfect. Only you have to buy their own break.
How you doing?
I'm hockey stuff, to be honest.
You got some gloves for me?
Up and out, baby.
Get mofo.
Oh, come here for 1 second.
Looking,
What up?
paste,
So,
and then
I have to dump some.
and then just push. Oh, yeah, go back to vintage breaks. And you want to breakers.
Psychological.
Just click on the breakers so you can see the chat. There you go.
To all the killers and $100 bills.
Gloves, bottom right.
Alright, guys. We're back. Live from the 459.
We updated your gloves. By the way.
Oh, where are my gloves?
Bottom right.
Oh, guys, I have some black powder-free exam gloves. You see this? Put these gloves on. Go put these gloves on. Oh, these are the ones that OJ wore in, no?
Go back.
Putting on the black, these are some real chic gloves, guys. This is like, dude, if I clog my toilet in my house, I want these gloves when I'm going to unclog it. You know what I'm saying?
Watch that ring.
Oh, yeah, no. Alright, guys. We're getting ready to open this 2008 Bowman Draft box.
I'll turn the light a little bit.
While we're breaking, we're going to random off a latent special to anyone that buys anything during. That's good lighting. I like the lighting. Anybody who buys anything during the break, we're going to random off a latent special, and so the very bare minimum that we'll give you will be an 82 grocery rack. Okay, this possible $500 PSA 10 Cal Ripken rookie card. And guys, showing on the front is nobody, but oh. I think I saw was it Johnny Ray rookie card. Remember Johnny Ray? All-star second baseman for the Pirates?
He was a solid ball player.
He was.
He became a Yankee.
What's that?
I always wanted him to be a Yankee.
Yeah, me too. He was great. But anyway, and Layton's not me. Layton is the brains of the operation, and
I like to think I'm the looks.
oh, he's the looks. That's fine. Whatever floats your boat, brother.
Absolutely. Hey!
All right. We don't need to roll anymore, right? No. All right, so let's get this cracking.
Yeah,
right here.
Oh,
get me a Stanton or Kershaw autograph, please.
Here we go, guys. Good luck. Jeez.
I'm gonna queue up my phone.
Action, action. Okay, where's my little numbers? Oh, look, guys. Sticker.
By the way, Mike, I'm going to not say who, but someone was smart and they just bought a $5 spot that's eligible for the $15 or $20 rack pack we're giving away during the break. So if that gentleman is the only person who bought in, we will clearly be losing money, and we're okay with that, but we're just letting everyone know.
Hey, guys.
Shout out to
Jambordai. What's up, brother? Nice to see you. I'll type. I'd love to type in 1 to 8. No, 1 to 6. It's 24 packs, right?
Oh, 24. Yeah.
My math is a little off. 1 to 6.
One day we'll get there. Right?
7 to 14, right? No, 7 to 12. 7 to 12. 13 to 18. 19 to 24, right?
Yep.
Someone just snuck in with that $5 purchase.
Guys, so remember.
Oh, B Pound, is that Brad?
B Pallant, Brad, is that you, brother?
Yeah, because I know Mike Steph.
There you go.
Oh, second time. He was last.
Yeah, tell Brad I'm going to be on a little bit.
Yeah, Layton will be on a little bit, guy. Don't you worry. Guy.
Yeah, just make sure Brad understands the special. That's why I called Steph.
Alright, here's the special.
Because for $5, you get an entry into $50 free credit.
Yeah, at 9 o'clock we're giving away a free $50 breaker credit to anybody that purchased a spot in any break tonight. Okay? Today, today. So from 8 a.m. this morning, 12 o'clock in the afternoon, up till 9 o'clock tonight. $50 breaker credit. And you get one entry per spot that you purchase in any break. Could be a $5 spot, could be a $425 spot. Alright guys, we're ready to rip this box. You ready? You ready? Pack 1 going out to Brandon Dunn. Good luck. Jay Bruce. Jesus Montero. Oof.
Remember to sleeve any hits.
Yeah, here. So we got a refractor of Greg Olson.
The old Baltimore Orioles pitcher?
No, Greg Golson, excuse me. Yeah, did I say Olson? I meant Golson. Okay, pack uno. Pack 2 going out to Brandon again. Good luck. You were on the last live stream. Very cool, man. Thank you for showing up again. We appreciate you coming by and saying hi. Brad Ziegler. Oh, God. This is a bit of a bust. Pack 2. Pack 3 going out to Brandon again. Good luck. Brett Gardner rookie card. Clayton Kershaw. Very cool. We'll sleeve that one in a minute.
Nice.
So we got it. This is a pretty decent card. Bowman. Clayton Kershaw rookie card. Very sharp.
What's that sell for, Mike?
Yeah, at a 10, I'm about $50.
Cool.
Yeah, but not an easy 10, by the way.
So the block quarters.
Yep. Pack 4 going out to Brandon Dunn.
There's an autograph possible on there too, Kershaw?
Yes, on a chrome.
Could you please get me one?
I would like to.
Thank you.
I'd like one myself. LJ Hose. Pack 5, Josh Taylor. Good luck, Josh. Okay. Good.
Perfect.
Pack 6, Brandon, you're up again, brother. Good luck. Carlos Gutierrez is the autograph. Carlos Gutierrez. Sorry, Carlos Gutierrez. Hopefully there's another autograph in this box. Carlos Gutierrez, born 1986. He is a whopping 31 years old. Probably serving, working at a restaurant or pumping gas somewhere. I don't know where he is, working at the mall, selling clothes. I don't know. Pack 7, Brandon Dunn. Good luck, Brandon. Okay, there. Brandon Dunn again, pack 8. Good luck, buddy. Gonna pack 9? Okay, good luck. 9 going out to Brandon again. You know, still some good possibilities here. It could be a gold refractor of Clayton Kershaw or Max Scherzer. Brandon Dunn, pack 10. Good luck. Joey Votto rookie. I'll sleeve that. Yeah, hey Papa, I'm sorry. Yeah, so here's what we're doing. So while we're opening, we're gonna have a latent special, and whoever buys in while we're opening a latent special depends on what kind of order flow we get, but at a very minimum, the latent special is this 82 Topps grocery rack, possible PSA 10 Ripken rookie, which is about $500. Plus we have our other credits, our other specials as well, and the 9 o'clock break. So anyone that buys in today is eligible to receive a $50 breaker credit. We're going to give one of those away, and that is for every spot you buy, you get 1 entry. Okay, it could be a $5 spot, could be a $425 spot. What's Pac-Man now? 11. All right, Brandon, it's yours. Good luck. Pack 12, Brandon. Good luck. Okay, pack 13 going out to Daniel. Good luck. Pack 14, Brandon. Good luck. Jaime Garcia. Yankees wish they never traded for him. Pack 15, right? Daniel, good luck.
Yeah, exactly. That's all.
Love this guy. Nick Stavonia. What are we on? 16? 16. Brandon Dunn. Good luck. Max Scherzer rookie.
Yeah, no. Yeah, the days of us bringing here are numbered. John, if we didn't have the problems that we had this week, we would be much further along. Meaning, whether it be with work done or moving the station. Yeah, that's set us back.
Pack 17. Daniel Cook. Good luck. Matt Laporta, remember him? Jake Arrieta rookie card. Pack 18. Brandon Dunn. Good luck.
Yeah, well, I mean, you have to go over this to make sure it's clean and stuff.
Pack 19. Brandon Dunn. The rest of the packs are yours, Brandon. Good luck. Oh, man. These are tough. Autographed Chris Volstad rookie card, 86 of 99.
Wow.
If that was a Kershaw, that would have been probably $1,000.
Oof.
He beat the odds, brother. Give me a top loader.
No, nice hit.
It's a nice hit. Tough hit. Volstad was a good pitcher for a while.
I know, I remember him.
Just let's get some real. Let's get a Kershaw Chrome.
All right, good. So Brad was smart. He bought a $5
We
spot.
got an X-Fractor coming.
So Mike, make sure everyone knows what's up. There's only a few people that bought in, so I'm cool with it. I'm still going to give away that rack pack.
Yeah, we got that breaker credit. I'm sorry, that latent special for anybody who buys in. I have 4 packs left, guys. 4 packs. So you buy in now. We got a minimum of an 82 rack pack that we I showed before, and depending on how many people buy in, could be a lot more. Leighton could feel oh, Papa J just brought out the X-Bass Hockey. We breaking another box. My man Papa Jizzy in the Heezy. Oh, we got a blue. Come on, Clayton. Oh, that would be Edgar Olmos.
Oh.
Wasn't
Edgar Olmos, Clayton.
Edgar Olmos was in Stand By. What movie was it? Stand By Me. He's an actor, but not him. Okay, we got a Joey Votto Chrome
Grab
rookie.
that box that we're gonna open. Sorry, kind of squeaky.
I like this Bowman Chrome Joey Votto. Very, very nicely centered too. All right, Brandon.
So,
Can you get this going for us?
We up again, Brandon. Good luck, my friend.
But you have to work with Robert.
Okay,
So.
okay, okay.
Excuse me. Excuse me.
Ramiro Pena. Remember that guy in the Yankees? Ramiro Pena? He's like a prospect. Here we go.
I tell you what, everyone's been great. Just so you know, well, hold on. That's the last pack.
Yes, sir.
Give everyone a minute. This is going to be the second prize as a Layton special in the random. Because a few people bought in, and right now we're going to give away that 82 rack, as well as this Ralph Kiner signed Yellow Hall of Fame plaque. We just got it in a collection with a bunch of other Hall of Fame plaques. It's pretty cool. For example, the guy's Duke Snyder came with the ticket and the photo of him getting it. Pretty cool. We'll save that for later, though, you know?
Forget about it. Last
Throw him
pack.
in the bathroom.
Oh, another. We got a LaGloria rookie. Chris Volstead again. And refractor of Andrew McCutchen. Not a bad card. McCutchen refractor.
That's nice. Is that a rook?
No, but it's a prospect card.
Great.
Very cool. We'll put that in a top loader for our friend here, Brandon.
You can't get it ready to do it now. Why can't you just do it?
Okay, that's done.
Already.
We're gonna break this 2010, 2011 SPX hockey in a little
I'm
while.
not blitzing. I see it.